Every vehicle begins as raw metal, shaped by precision and patience. Each panel is cut to exact dimensions, leaving no room for error. Immense force transforms flat steel into recognizable form.
The chassis becomes the backbone that carries every component.
Unique designs demand specialized engineering solutions.
Strength and flexibility are balanced through controlled heat. Safety begins long before the vehicle ever moves. Power units arrive ready for integration.
Every part is grouped to maintain production flow.
All elements now converge toward assembly. Assembly begins the moment raw components meet human skill.
Accuracy here defines everything that follows.
A unique design takes shape through deliberate steps. Balance is engineered, not assumed. Comfort and control begin beneath the frame. Stopping power is built with careful routing. Direction is defined by mechanical honesty. Energy storage is positioned with precision. Every sound begins with proper flow.
Only verified foundations move forward.
Precision guides weight into position. Stability is locked one fastener at a time. Power is prepared long before it meets the frame. Motion begins where power meets control. Energy finds its path through disciplined alignment.
Heat control protects performance.
Signals travel through organized pathways.
Stored energy completes the circuit.
Response is measured in millimeters. Before ignition, motion must prove itself. Shape begins to define identity. Structure and skin meet with precision. Balance is preserved through careful assembly. Every opening must close perfectly.
Protection is applied where metal meets metal.
A uniform base prepares the surface ahead. Time and heat lock in durability. Color gives character its first voice.
Finish is judged under unforgiving light.
Transformation now enters its final stages. Comfort is built layer by layer. Control surfaces take their place. Direction is now in human hands. The driver's position is precisely defined.
Visibility is sealed into the structure.
Communication with the road is established. The vehicle meets the ground on its own terms. Identity is confirmed in small details. Lifelines are filled and secured.
Precision is confirmed before evaluation. Quality begins with trained eyes.
Every signal must respond without delay.
Stopping power is measured, not assumed.
Direction must remain true under motion.
Strength reveals itself under pressure.
Seals must hold under every condition.
Mechanical harmony is carefully measured.
Motion confirms assembly integrity.
Standards met. Clearance granted.
Meticulous pre-dispatch cleaning ensures every vehicle meets our exacting standards before it leaves the facility.